Hello friends, today we are going to do the unboxing of Bajaj Majesty 1603T oven toaster and griller, which is a OTG oven. So this is how the box looks. So to the top of the box there is Bajaj branding. In the middle it's mentioned as 2 years warranty. So this oven comes with 2 years warranty. To the bottom there is Bajaj Majesty 1603T mentioned on the box, and bottom to it is oven, toaster and griller. So let's see to the side of the box. To the side of the box it's mentioned in Hindi. So let's turn the other side. Okay, this side is the same information in Hindi. So let's turn the other side. Okay, this side contains the features of this oven. To the top there is Bajaj branding. In the middle it has the three knobs. This oven comes with three knobs. The first one is the temperature knob, which is 0 to 250 degrees. The second one is dual heating. This comes with top and bottom heating elements, so it comes with dual heating. And the third one is the timer, where you can set from 0 to 60 minutes. So these are the features. So the thermostat, which monitors the temperature, heating elements on top and bottom, so you can heat either from the top or down or both. So timer with auto shut off, cool touch door handle, slide out crumb tray, and there is a consumer care number, international design and styling. So this is how the oven looks. It's white in color. It comes in two colors. This is a white one. The front door is the glass door, and the glass door has the handle. So let's go ahead and unbox the oven. So now we have unboxed the oven. This is how the oven comes packed in the box. Let's go ahead and see what all is there in the box. This is the warranty card. This oven comes with 2 years warranty, and this is the warranty card. To the other side of the warranty card there is a 3D emblem and the instructions for the warranty, and to the bottom of it it's mentioned as 2-year warranty. Then there is a booklet which contains the instructions and different models of Bajaj OTG ovens, and this booklet contains the recipes as well. So let's go ahead and open the other box. This is the other box. So let's see what's inside the box. These are the skewer rods. There are 4 skewer rods. They look quite good and made of good quality, but I'm not sure how long they can be used. This is the crumb tray. It has protrusions to handle the crumb tray, to hold the crumb tray. They are quite light but looks of good quality. Yet I am not sure, I cannot comment on the longevity of this crumb tray, the skewer rods on the cook tray. This is the cooking tray. It has a star design in between the middle. This is also quite light but looks good, and I cannot comment on the quality. They look quite good quality, but I cannot comment on how long this tray stays good once we start cooking in this oven. So let's go ahead and see the oven. So the oven is quite small. It's a 16-liter oven. It's quite small. So this is how the oven looks. To the front there is glass. The oven is white in color. The whole body is made of light metal. So it has 3 knobs to the right. To the top front there is the handle to open the glass door. So to the right there is the temperature knob, where you can set the temperature from 0 to 250 degrees. To the middle is the selector knob, where you can select the heating elements, either the top heating element, bottom heating element, or both. And to the end is the timer, which is 0 to 60 minutes. You can set the timer from 0 to 60 minutes. And below that is the indicator, power indicator. This is the cool touch handle. So This is the glass door, and to the bottom there is Bajaj branding to the bottom left, and to the bottom right is the model number, which is 1603T. To the side there is nothing, it's quite clean, the color looks good. To the back there are the air vents and a badge which shows the power rating, model number, and this is a made in China product. So it's a rebranded product of Bajaj. It's a made in China product, rebranded by Bajaj. To the top there is a caution saying that when the oven is in operation, the surface will be hot. The length of the power cable is 3 feet 4 inches. I have measured that. It's a 3-pin cable. So once we open the door, this is how the inside will be. You can see the heating element rods. There are 2 heating elements on the top and 2 heating elements on the bottom. This is the grill tray and the tongs. Tray removal tong, which is fixed to that grill tray. We can remove it, but as part of packing they have fixed it to the grill tray. This is the tong, grill tray removal tong. The oven is quite light, it's not heavy at all. The finishing is good. It's a made in China product sold by Bajaj in India. Let's go ahead and see all the accessories that come with this oven. From left to the right there is a crumb tray, cooking tray, skewer rods and the grill tray, and the tong to remove the trays. So these are the trays, the skewer rods, the grill tray and the tong. This is how the oven looks. So the door opens from, you have to pull the handle from top. So these are the heating elements. There are 2 heating elements to the bottom and 2 heating elements on the top. And the inner chamber has protrusion so that the trays can be inserted as per our cooking needs. So the front glass door has one door hinge to the left, and there to the top there are rubber sort of things for the glass to not hit the metal. These are the 3 knobs: the temperature knob, the heating element selector knob, the timer knob, and to the bottom is the power indicator. So the temperature knob can be used to set the temperature from 0 to 250. The knobs are made of plastic, but they feel good to hold. This is the heating element selector. So this selects the top, bottom or both the heating elements. To the bottom is the timer knob, which can be used to set the timer from 0 to 60 degrees. And once the timer, suppose if you set the timer to 10 and once the 10 minutes is over, so there is a ding sound, a bell sound, and the oven switches off after that. Below to the timer is the power indicator. The width of the oven is 10 inches. The length of the oven is 14 inches. The width of the inner chamber is 8.5 to 9 inches. And the length of the inner chamber is 10 inches. This is how the timer sounds once we set the timer on this oven. Let's go ahead and switch on the oven. Now I have switched on the oven. You can see the red LED indicator on. I have turned the temperature knob and I have selected the heating element as top, and the timer is already at 10 and you can hear the timer clicking. So there is no light inside the chamber. We cannot see any light inside the chamber. Now let's go ahead and see with all the different trays inserted in the oven. Let's discuss the pros and cons. The pros are it's lightweight, quite compact, looks good, quite economical. The cost of this is around 3,500 rupees. Comes in 2 colors, white and silver. Heating rods are present on top and bottom. Accessories included are grill tray, tong, cooking tray, crumb tray, skewer rods. It's a 1200 watts oven, comes with 2 years warranty. The cons are there is no light inside the heating chamber, no rotisserie as mentioned in Amazon product page. If you have any queries, please do share them as comments. Please do like this video if you like the review. Please do like, share and subscribe my channel for further interesting reviews, updates and videos. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.